chip away at the ice and snow is to get it off of the lawn, to allow oxygen and growth to start happening. If this snow and ice stays on the lawn too long, it's going to kill it. And a lot of times this happens when you're pushing snow off of your driveway, off of sidewalks. If you don't have a shovel, use something else. Now if you're done breaking it up, you want to spread it out. It'll make it easier for everything to melt down and for that water to percolate into the soil. This patch is getting smaller. It takes a little bit longer because we're on the north side of the building. When you're on the north side of buildings or fences or shrubbery, it takes a little bit longer for things to melt. But if you take a look here, the reason why we chip away at this ice and this snow is because if you look real closely, you see this mycelia. And that is part of the fungal issue that comes with the disease snow mold. So that's what we're trying to avoid here. So what we'll do is we'll continue to chip away at this. But you also see that it's all matted down. We're going to rake that up as soon as we're done chipping. So the reason we have ice here is because what happens as air temperatures increase, the snow will melt. And then as it freezes again, it makes ice. So you have layers of ice and snow. And when you have layers of ice and snow like that, then you have no oxygen. And without oxygen, grass plants can't grow. So that's what we're trying to avoid. Again, so once you're done chipping, it's important to rake it out, spread it out so it can melt and water the rest of the lawn. And you can see we rake up these matted areas, and you can also tell that there's green underneath there. So roots are growing this time of year. So we're making headway. We're going to make this lawn, this area of the lawn, nice and healthy again. So stick with us. Warmer temperatures have finally melted all of this ice off of the lawn. So you can tell that what we've got here is some areas that are standing up like lawns should versus areas that are matted down and lying flat. It's in these areas that we need to rake it back up so that we can get some oxygen in there in order to bring life. Now if we were to leave this matted down, chances are these particular areas may not grow as well as the areas on the outskirts. So when you have this going on, the way to fix it is to rake it up to allow air to circulate in between the leaves of grass as well as the soil just underneath. So here's what we're going to do. Get yourself any kind of rake, and simply, you can tell the difference right off, simply just start raking it up. It's really that simple. And when you do this, you'll notice there's a lot of green plants underneath there. So soil temperatures and air temperatures are increasing. Things are warming up. It's time to start growing grass.